Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about how to change browser screen size using Karate. So these are the commands that we will be using in order to change the browser screen size using Karate. The first command is full screen method. Using this full screen method, we can change the browser size to a full screen. Next one is maximize. This is to maximize browser screen. Then next one is driver.dimensions. This is to set the size of the browser window. We can pass the dimension value as a JSON. Next one is minimize. This is to minimize the browser screen. So I will be sharing all the code used in this particular demo in this particular GitHub link so that you can easily reuse the code. Now I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Eclipse IDE. In the project Karate UI testing under src test java, there is a examples.uses package. Under that, I have already created the feature file for today's demo. This is the feature change browser screen size .feature. So here I have given the feature name like this. In the background section, I have given the browser setup related codes. So this background will be invoked before every scenario in this feature file. In this particular feature file, there is only one scenario. So I have given comments as well for easy readability. So in the fifth line, I am initializing the native Chrome. Then in the seventh line, I am opening the source demo website. Then in the ninth line, I am giving a delay of 2 seconds. In the scenario section, I have given the scenario name like this. So first I am changing the browser screen size to a full screen. Then I am giving a delay of 2 seconds. After the delay, I am maximizing the browser screen. Again, I am giving delay of 2 seconds. Then I am using the driver.dimension and setting the size of the browser screen to this particular width and height. Then I am again giving delay. After that, I am minimizing the screen, and in the 19th line, I am again giving the delay. So after the execution, the Karate will be closing the browser automatically. There is no need to write a code for that. Now I am going to execute this feature file. To do that, I have already mentioned the feature file name here in the users runner. Now I am going to run this runner file. Right click on this file and run as JUnit test. The native Chrome has been opened. You can see the source demo website. First it is moved to full screen. Now it is maximized. Now it is a custom size, and after that it got minimized. You can see the test results. Everything got passed. You can see the feature count is 1, scenario count is 1, and pass count is 1. We can verify by checking the HTML report as well. So I am opening this HTML report here. You can see that the count is given in green color, which means the scenario in the feature file got passed. So this is how you can change the browser screen size using Karate. So the methods used are full screen, maximize, then this driver.dimensions, then minimize. So these are the methods you can use in order to change the browser screen size using Karate. So I hope this session is very useful for everyone. If you find this particular video interesting and helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.